American 180, the little .22 that could. Did you know the tiny .22 LR cartridge is a global record holder? It's the most produced and most fired bullet in the world, having been around since 1887. While it's low power, it's surprisingly accurate, especially up close. This unique mix of traits led to the creation of something special, the American 180 submachine gun. Imagine needing a gun for police or prison guards to handle riots or fights. You'd want something effective but not overly powerful, right? That's where the American 180 came in. This unique submachine gun was designed just for that. And when we say unique, we mean it. The American 180 could be fitted with massive drum magazines holding anywhere from 165 to an incredible 275 bullets. Arsenal Firearms AF2011A1. Ever seen a pistol that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie? That's the Arsenal Firearms AF2011A1 for you. If you're a movie buff, you've probably spotted this unique gun in action in blockbusters like Deadpool 2, Resident Evil, The Final Chapter, and Spectre. What makes it so special? Well, imagine taking two classic M1911 pistols and expertly fusing them into one single frame, side by side. That's exactly what the brilliant minds at Arsenal Firearms did. It took them a solid 6 months to bring this incredible concept to life, finally showcasing it in 2012. This beast isn't just about looks. It's got two separate magazines, each holding 8 rounds, all connected at the bottom. You can get it chambered for popular ammunition types like .38 Super and .45 ACP. CMMG Descent, the ultra-compact powerhouse. Get ready to be impressed. A US team has created one of the most compact submachine guns in the world, the CMMG Descent. This little marvel weighs around 4.4 pounds and, without its stock, measures just 14.7 inches long. Seriously, it's so small it could fit right inside a large pizza box. One of the coolest things about it is its patented compact action bolt mechanism. As the name hints, this smart design drastically shrinks the gun's size. The Descent is available in popular calibers like .223 Remington, .300 Blackout, and 5.7 by 28 mm, with even more options expected down the line. You'll get a choice of magazines holding either 30 or 32 rounds, and each Descent comes with 2 magazines right in the box. For folks in the US, it'll set you back about $2,000. Derringer Bulldog, the tiny, custom defender. Check out the Derringer Bulldog, a truly unique pistol that's custom made just for you. One of the most interesting things about it is its unusual ammunition, 6mm Flowbit cartridges. These tiny rounds are super low power, almost like what an air rifle shoots. While you won't see Flowbit ammo everywhere today, it's actually quite effective for self-defense at very close distances. This little gun is incredibly light, weighing only 11 ounces, and sports short, 2-inch barrels. The entire barrel section is carved from a single piece of steel, giving it a surprisingly solid feel. You can technically shoot it at targets up to 33 feet away, but don't expect bullseyes. Tests showed shots landing about 4 inches apart at that range. It's definitely more of a close-quarters tool. If this custom piece catches your eye, it costs around $500. Droneagen MKIII, taking down drones safely. Drones are everywhere now, right? From fun toys to serious tools for the military. With so many drones around, a drone race is even becoming a thing. So, it's no surprise that clever minds are developing ways to defend against them. That's exactly what the Droneagen MKIII is for. This awesome anti-drone device can hit drones from far away, up to 1,640 feet. How does it work its magic? Basically, it jams certain signals, forcing the drone to either make an emergency landing right there or fly back to where it started. Plus, it cuts off the drone's video feed, so whoever is controlling it goes blind. The Droneagen MKIII is pretty easy to carry around, weighing about 4.4 pounds, and it can work for about 2 hours on a single charge. Edgun Leshy 2.0, the Russian air rifle you can build. Get ready for the Edgun Leshy 2.0, a super popular air rifle all the way from Russia. This gun is so in demand, you might have to wait a month or two just to get your hands on one. It comes in different sizes, like 4.5mm, 5.5mm, and 6.35mm, with various barrels, and its makers call it revolutionary, and for good reason. The biggest reason it's so cool? Its modular design. This means you can literally build your dream version, swapping out parts like a pro. It's also semi-automatic, which is perfect for firing off shots quickly, one after another, or even in short bursts. The air tank, though compact, holds enough air for about 35 shots before you need to refill it. A basic 4.5mm version with a 9.8-inch barrel usually costs around $1,500. FABARM STF-12, Italy's tactical masterpiece. Get ready to feast your eyes on the FABARM STF-12, a seriously cool tactical shotgun crafted by Italian experts. This isn't just any shotgun. Pros absolutely rave about its incredible precision, all thanks to its special tri-bore HP barrel. Plus, the front grip moves super smoothly because of clever Ergel 55 alloy inserts, and it even has a removable rail that runs the entire length of the gun for all your accessories. The STF-12 comes in several versions, with barrel lengths from a compact 11 inches all the way up to 22 inches. The shorter ones are often just a pistol grip without a full stock, making them perfect for tight spaces. Depending on the model, it can hold anywhere from 3 to 7 shells. Even without ammo, this shotgun weighs about 9 pounds, giving it a solid feel. Need to add a flashlight or another gadget? Fat Mac .950 JDJ, the dinosaur hunter's dream and nightmare. Ever wondered about the biggest rifle on Earth? Meet the Fat Mac .950 JDJ from SSK Industries. This company firmly believes they've made the world's largest caliber rifle, and once you hear about it, you'll probably agree. This absolute monster of a gun weighs anywhere from 77 to a whopping 119 pounds. It fires colossal .950 JDJ cartridges, and get this, each bullet weighs about 8 ounces, which is actually heavier than an iPhone 14 Plus. No wonder it's been nicknamed the T-Rex Killer. If dinosaurs ever walked around again, this would definitely be the weapon for hunting them. But owning a Fat Mac isn't easy. Back in 2015, just one of its giant cartridges cost a hefty $60. These rifles were custom-made, and they were seriously dangerous to shoot.
Gauss gun, Cobra, your own magnetic weapon. Ever played video games and wondered about those cool magnetic weapons? That's the idea behind a coil gun, or Gauss gun. Instead of gunpowder, they use magnets to shoot a bullet forward. The awesome thing is, you can actually build one at home. And that's exactly what the creator of the Gauss gun, Cobra, did. They even shared a detailed video showing how it all comes together. The main challenge for the builder was to make the Cobra as small as possible without losing any of its punch. So, did they pull it off? This homemade magnetic marvel weighs about 6 pounds and is 20 inches long. It fires special 8x40mm bullets that weigh about half an ounce. When it shoots, the bullet zips out at 220 feet per second with a power of 31 joules. And here's another cool part. It only takes about 7.4 seconds to load a new shot.
Gyrojet, the rocket gun that almost was. Imagine a handgun that shoots rockets instead of bullets. That was the wild idea behind the Gyrojet, born in the early 1960s from US innovators at MB Associates. The goal? A super effective, super quiet weapon. And quiet it was. When a gyrojet fired, you'd only hear a soft hiss, not a loud bang. This was because it launched tiny rockets as its ammo, which was pretty revolutionary. However, this futuristic gun had some big flaws. For starters, it wasn't very accurate. If you were shooting at something 328 feet away, your shots could land anywhere within a 7 to 10 foot area. Not exactly pinpoint precision. Plus, it was prone to misfires, failing at least once every 100 shots, even in perfect conditions. The Gyrojet's journey came to an end in 1968.